Now, after you publish your Instagram Reels, you still wanted to download the Reels. So how you can do it? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Instagram Reels even after you published. Now, before I begin, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can download your Instagram Reels after you have published. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. So now go to your profile, click on the reels that you want to save. For example, this is the reel, the first reel that I want to download. Click on it, click open it up. So you have opened up reels. How can you download it? Click on the airplane icon at the right, the paper airplane. You can see at the bottom there's add to story, WhatsApp status, all those. All you have to do is just scroll. You can see the icon here. Click on download, and then it is downloading. Yep, it's finished downloading. So where do you find it? It is now in your galleries. So let me open up my gallery, and then you can see at the bottom here. Alright, so this is the video. So the only thing you need to take note is that there is watermark from Instagram. There's one at the top right, and then after that you will see go down, right, at the bottom left. So you might want to use some software to clean it up if you want to, and at the end of the video you can see that they will have the Instagram mark. So it is good for you to just download the Instagram reel and to keep it as a backup, but if you want to post it to other social media platforms, you might want to consider ways to remove that watermark. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.